Making cabinets requires a lot of effort and attention to detail. There's a lot of moving parts for cabinet makers to juggle. Taking site measurements, selecting materials, hardware, appliances, quoting, ordering, cutting, edging, assembling, delivering, and installing. It's a complex process that demands a lot of hard work to produce a high quality and profitable final product. Given the time pressures on business owners and the challenge of finding skilled staff, it's essential to choose software that is easy to learn while still having the versatility to get the job done. Perhaps even more important is partnering with a provider who will guide you every step of the way. Mozaik Software drives CNC machinery so you can design, quote, cut, and build cabinets. From conception to construction, you can create with confidence. It's affordable, easy to set up, easy to use, and as powerful as you need. With Mozaik Software, you can easily design floor plans, elevations, 3D views, presentation drawings, cutting lists, and price your job. Materials, hardware, fasteners, and labor are all accounted for. Our software provides you with the clarity and confidence that every detail is carefully considered before you start cutting. With our cabinet shaping feature, you can create personalized designs that are tailored to your customers' needs. This feature empowers you to bring your unique ideas to life with greater efficiency and ease, allowing you to focus more on the creative process and less on the technical aspects. You can say goodbye to the hassle of designing understair cabinets. The face and interior sectioning feature of Mozaik makes designing and modifying cabinets a breeze. You can easily add shelves, internal drawers, or partitions, all without worrying about complex formula calculations or other time-consuming chores. Let the software do the heavy lifting so you can focus on designing. Our MDF door feature enables you to produce a variety of popular door designs, including shaker doors, V-groove doors, or doors with grouted J-pull handles. Mozaik provides a straightforward approach to creating your own door designs. By displaying the precise shape of the tool, you can be confident that what you see is what you get, which means you don't have to run multiple tests before cutting the perfect door. One of my favorite features of Mozaik is how simple it is to insert cabinet items. You can easily drag and drop, pull out bins, lift up hinges, lazy Susans, pull out pantries, spice racks, and other cabinet accessories, complete with all the necessary drilling operations. Our team at Cadmate ensures that you have access to the latest hardware items, so you can focus on building cabinets without having to worry about building software libraries. Mozaik Software offers a comprehensive solution to optimize the performance of your CNC machine. It has a built-in optimizer for nesting and G-code generation, which simplifies the entire process. You don't need a third-party CAM software because Mozaik has everything you require in one application. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise-level cabinet production shop, Mozaik Software streamlines the programming of your CNC machine, keeping it running and profitable. Our flip-side machining feature saves time and avoids mistakes by machining both sides of your sheets, eliminating the need for manual labor while ensuring accuracy and consistency. When you sign up for Mozaik and you partner with Cadmate, you're not just getting powerful software to drive your CNC, you'll also have access to the Cadmate team, who will provide full support every step of the way. Additionally, you'll receive a free online training session to get you started, free ongoing email support, free software upgrades, access to our user groups and forums, instructional videos, a free post for your CNC, our famous Cadmate cabinet library, and all the popular materials and hardware are preloaded into the software so that you can start building cabinets right away. Discover the dynamic value of Cadmate and Mozaik Software. Our website provides all the information you need to get started. Subscribe online today to start working with Cadmate's experienced team of cabinet makers, ready to help you drive your CNC with Mozaik Software.